Hey friends, it's Tisha. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to share with you a free and simple way that you can start selling online today. You can do this while you are on your lunch break, while your kids are taking a nap, or even while you are drinking your morning coffee. Now, the tool that I want to share with you to help you start selling today is Beacons. With Beacons, you can create a free link in bio page that you can create multiple links that link out to your products and services, any other content that you want to monetize, or any affiliate links that you are promoting. So I want to share with you how you can set up your Beacons account and add your product so you can go ahead and start selling today. Let's go ahead and jump into my computer. After you click the link to sign up, it's going to bring you to the sign up page. And the first thing you need to do is to claim your free link in bio. So you want to just add your username, and this can be your brand name, your username, whatever name you want to use as your Beacons link in bio. And then hit next. And then you just have to go through the steps of creating your account. You can sign up, of course, with Google, Facebook, or Apple, or you could just use a valid email address. Okay, and once you've entered in your email information, it is going to take you through their AI setup system. You just go through this process in order to get started. Okay, so this is the prompt that it prompted. We're just going to go ahead and hit the arrow so it can continue forward. There's not a way to really bypass their AI setup system, but we're going to just go through this process, and then I'm going to show you how you can still customize this to fit how you want. Hit use this design and then hit next. And we're going to skip this part for now. So we're going to hit skip for now. Once you finally get through their AI setup, it's going to bring you to your Beacons dashboard. And this is where you can design it and to customize it into your actual style and brand and add the content that you want to show. So you have your main menu on the left, and you have here on the main section is all of the content that is currently showing on your link in bio page. And you will see any changes that you make over here in this little preview icon of a mobile phone. Okay, any content that it gave you that you don't want, you simply can click on the three dots and delete that content. So the first thing you want to do is to edit your header, and this is just a few basics information that's going to appear at the top of your link in bio because people want to know who they are buying from. So let's click on the header block, and then we want to make sure we're focused on the profile section. It may already pull some information from whatever social media account that you link. To edit any of that, you want to just click on edit profile. If you want to change out your profile picture, you can do that. So you want to edit your header text. This could be your name or the name of your company. And then you also want to just add a short bio in regards to who you are and what you and your brand or business is about. And once you're done, you just hit the X and it's automatically going to save. And the last thing that you may want to add is some additional social icons. So you can hit on edit and you can click on add social, and you can choose from all of the different platforms and just simply add your social media handle, and that icon for that particular platform is going to appear at the top. So next, let me show you how you can add your links. So let's go back to the link in bio section, and this is showing us what is currently in our link in bio. It does have some pre-links here, but I want to show you how you can add them from scratch. So you want to click on add block, and here is where you can link to any additional place or content that you want to drive your traffic to. This can be a newsletter, you can add a video, you can add music, you can send them to a podcast. You can do that by adding a link or by adding one of these content blocks. It's up to you. So once you click on add link, once you have links added, you can just simply add the name and you just paste in the link, and it's going to appear like this on your page. Beacons has already added the digital product block, but if it did not add it for you, let me show you how to add it. You want to go to the top, you want to click on add block, and you want to scroll down until you scroll to products. So to add your digital product, you want to click on add. You want to choose how your product is going to appear on your page. Let's just use the first one, which is the large card. You want to click create digital product. Okay, it's going to bring you to your product builder, and there are a few things that you need to set up. You have have your product page, your checkout page, your success page, and email receipt. And I'm going to take you through each one. Right now we are on the product page, and everything you see here you can edit. You can change and edit out your product photo, change your product title, change out your price. So if you click on price, you do have a few pricing options. You can also change the currency. So if you live in a different country, you can choose the currency that is related to your country. You can change out your CTA. You can also edit your product description. With your Beacons account, you do get access to their AI feature. You can use their AI to help you write your product description. Just know with the free plan, using their AI is limited. You can always use Claude or ChatGPT to help you with your product descriptions. If you want to add an order bump, you can do that by selecting order bump. And this is just an additional product that you may sell at a discounted price along with your digital product. And this is a way that you can increase sales. Okay. Now to actually add your digital product, you want to make sure that you go to the top right and click on product files, and you can either upload the file or you can add a link and it will add it to your product page. Now, if you want to change the design and layout of your product page, you want to go to the top left and click on design with this color wheel next to it. The first option is your layout option. Currently we have this classic option. You can do a landscape, and you can also do what is considered a dynamic layout. You can also change out your colors. They have a few brand colors that you can choose from, or you can go in and just add your brand colors. It is up to you. And to change out your fonts, you simply click on the fonts menu, and you can just simply click on the drop down menu and choose from their pre-selected fonts. After you add your product details, this is essentially what your customer sees before buying. You want to make sure that you're giving them everything they need to know about what they are buying. Okay, once your customers decide that they want to buy, the next page they will see is your checkout page. And you want to just make sure that this stays simple. The basic information, their name, email, and their payment information. If you're getting this current message that I have, that means you have not set up your Stripe account. And once you have set up your Stripe account, you will see the different payment options that your customers can use to check out. So after your customers check out, the next screen they're going to see is the success screen. So this is what happens after they purchase your product, and you can create a customized thank you page, and the product that they purchase is going to be available for them to download right here from the success page. Your customers will also be emailed a receipt of their purchase along with the option to download or access the product that they purchased with a summary. Okay, so once you've gone through all the steps, you just want to hit on next, and then you want to list your product in your link in bio page. So you want to click on digital products, click list product, and just like that, your first digital product is officially ready to sell. Okay, to view it, you want to click on view your link in bio, and you're going to see your digital product here. Okay, now that you've added your digital product, it's time to give your link in bio page a little bit of personality by customizing it to fit your brand and style. To do that, you want to go over to the left and click on link in bio design. Beacons does offer a few themes that you can choose from. Any of these that you like, you simply can click on it and hit, and it will apply it directly to your page. It's up to you. Then you have the option to change your header style. Anything that you want, you can just simply just scroll through and find the style that fits what you are looking for. Okay. Then you have the option to change your colors. If you don't like the pre-colors that come with the Beacons themes, you can add your own brand colors, making it more personalized to your style. Simply just click on that color and add your brand color. You also have the option to customize the fonts a little bit. They do have some pre-text combos that you can choose from. Pick something that fits your style. Take a look at your link in bio page. If you are satisfied with your page, the last thing that you want to do is just copy your link, and you can share this to your social media platform. Okay, friends, so that is how you can use Beacons to start selling online today. Make sure that you use the link down below in the description box to get your Beacons account set up. If you have any questions, let me know. Leave those down in the comments. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.